Meowton the Cat and Gravity. Once, in a quiet village surrounded by orchards and ancient stone houses, lived a cat unlike any other. His name was Meowton. He wasn't like the other cats who chased butterflies or napped in the sun. No, Meowton was curious about everything. He would spend hours sitting on a windowsill, watching the world with those sharp, golden eyes, full of questions. Meowton was born during a storm, under a flickering candlelight, in a humble attic. He grew up without his parents around, raised by an elderly owl who lived in the rafters. The owl taught him letters, numbers, and the silent language of the stars. While other kittens played, Meowton asked questions. He asked why rain always fell downward, why the same sun rose every morning, why his paws stayed on the ground and didn't float into the sky. Then one day, while resting beneath an apple tree, something happened. A ripe apple fell. Not on him, like the stories often say, but near him. Still, it made him think. If the apple falls, what pulls it down? And why does the moon stay up? He blinked. His whiskers twitched. That single apple became a seed, not of fruit, but of thought. Meowton began to experiment. He dropped pebbles, watched feathers fall, measured shadows, stared at the moon. And then, it came to him. There must be a force, something invisible, a pull between every object in the universe, from the apple, to the moon, to his own fluffy paws on the grass. He called it gravity, a simple idea with a powerful consequence. Gravity, he realized, was everywhere. It wasn't just Earth pulling things down. Every object with mass pulled on every other object. Even he, small as he was, pulled on the moon. But Earth? Earth was big, so its pull was strong. That's why things fall. That's why the moon orbits. That's why we don't float away. His discovery changed everything, from the movement of planets, to the path of comets, to the falling of apples. Meowton had uncovered a law of nature, the law of universal gravitation. And though he never wore a lab coat, nor wrote with a pen, his ideas traveled across time, across space, across galaxies, all from the curious mind of one small cat who simply wanted to know why.